In this video, I will take you through all my dividend income received in the month of June 2023 for my $23,760 portfolio on eToro. The first payment in June came from the First Energy Corporation and was a dividend payment of $3.31. And on that very same day, Essential Utilities paid out $3.18. The next payments in June came on the 7th with the Global X Super Dividend ETF paying $1.15, and as well as that, the Global X Super Dividend US ETF paid 84 cents. Up next on the 8th of June was Microsoft, which paid 58 cents. I regret not adding more to the Microsoft position, as this is one of the best companies in the world and I consider it to be a strong growth opportunity. I will continue to add more Microsoft stock to my portfolio moving forward. On the 9th of June, Pfizer paid $5.64. And also on the 9th of June came my largest payment for any individual stock, which was ExxonMobil at $15.47. I've covered ExxonMobil's growth potential in another video and would be happy to cover it more in the future. The very next day, on the 10th of June, IBM paid me $14.06. And after that, on the 15th of June, was Consolidated Edison paying $6.90. On the 20th of June, SPHD paid its monthly dividend of $1.06. And also on the 20th of June was the payment from QYLD, this month reaching $33.37. QYLD pays monthly and is now starting to generate a huge amount of income for my portfolio. I will continue to keep adding to this position and I've covered it in several other videos. For more information, just like and ask more questions and I will happily cover QYLD and demonstrate my investment journey using this as the main revenue generator in my portfolio. On the 22nd of June, I received another payment from SCHD, this time for $3.38. While on the 23rd of June, I received $7.59 from BlackRock. BlackRock is the largest asset management company of the world and I believe is a strong growth opportunity across the next decade. I'll continue to add to this BlackRock position over time. The final payment came on the 26th of June and that was from T. Rowe with a payment of $4.14. So this brings my dividend income for the month of June to $100.67. This is a unique milestone for me as this is the first time my dividend income has exceeded $100 in any given month, and I now expect this to happen on a quarterly cycle where I'll exceed $100 4 times a year, with my other dividend income in the other months also increasing. This just shows you the power of compound dividend investing, as this has not been that long into my journey and I am now starting to see substantial income. For more information on this and to see the updates on my portfolio, like and subscribe for more videos and I'd be happy to cover any other stocks which you would like to see analysed on the channel.